Hello, guys. So once again, you're here watching the fourth reflection of this e-portfolio right here. So if you have watched, if you are watching this, thank you very much for watching this. For what? For viewing my journey throughout this course of the PED 102, the technology for teaching and learning. So without a doubt, let's tackle about the topic four. Uh, the topic four is just the same title of the topic two, topic three, and topic four. It is the again the digital and non-digital skills in delivering technology assisted instruction. uh, in the topic 2 and topic 3, you have discussed the non-digital tools, or what we call the conventional tools. And topic 3, we have discussed the digital tools, or what we call the non-digital tools. So now in topic 4, we are going to discuss the technology as a collaborative tool. So after the discussion of this topic of my fellow classmates, I realize how technology has transferred the way we work and learn together. Applications like Messenger, what Zooms, Google Meet allows not just students but all the people from different locations to collaborate in real life or real time. This is especially beneficial for virtual meetings, what online learning, group projects, and additionally platforms like Google Docs, like just like this, what I created, the Google Sites, enable multiple users to edit and contribute to the project simultaneously. So it enhances teamworks and shared our learning throughout engaging technology. These tools or apps break barriers, making collaboration more accessible and inclusive, as well as engaging towards the learners, not just the learners but all the people. Using this kind of websites, we must know. I discussed this in topic 3. We must know, we must have, or we must be digital literate. So this is an important concept because that is how we know on how we responsibly act using this kind of technology. So we have the media literacy, the understanding and evaluation of media content, if it's reliable or not. We have the information literacy, knowing how to find and access credible information online. This is mostly used on what facts or news, as well as feature researchers. As for students, the third one is ICT literacy. It deals in navigation of digital platforms using tools effectively. So, the fourth one is communication and collaboration. So, these two works together using online platforms to engage, as well as what to communicate, or to be used in interacting for students or people. And we have the identity management that is discussed in the chapter 4, or the topic 4 is the maintaining a responsible digital presence of your digital identity. And the last one is, I think, it is learning skills. So learning skills using digital resources to continuously grow and develop new skills. Now, if you hear many noise in this reflection, I am very sorry for that because it is very noisy outside. So please bear with me. So in this topic, they discuss a very intriguing part, and this is also discussed in the very first meeting, or the second meeting of our class in the course of PED 105. This discussed by our beloved teacher, Ma'am Michelle Bagina. So the four C's of 21st century learning. Uh, it is breakdown of the critical thinking, creativity, communication, as well as the fourth one is the collaboration. I believe that these are fundamental skills that students and people must learn, especially as students for future educators, should continuously develop in the future. So let's briefly discuss the four C's. So first, let's discuss the critical thinking. So critical thinking helps us analyze the information, evaluate the sources, and solve problems using digital tools, and that is critical thinking. So let's move on to the second one. Creativity allow us to express our imaginations, express ourselves through multimedia platforms like painting, the Canva, the Adobe Express, the PowerPoint presentation, and what we're making in our digital tools. We are free on that because we, as human students, we are very creative in many ways. And the third one is communication. Um, uh, Communication becomes seamless with platforms like Google Meet and Microsoft Teams, making it easier to share ideas because the interactions can perform face to face and online now because of technology integrated in our curriculum. And the fourth one is what we call the collaboration. It is an enhanced it in it was enhanced or it is enhanced through tools like Google Drive, Google Classrooms, making group tasks more efficient and more engaging towards technology-driven students, and that is clear that technology isn't just a tool; it it is a bridge that connects people, ideas, as well as many opportunities for students. Now, I believe that in the topic they discuss the eight digital literacy skills, it was anchored by the author of Lynch and it was published in 2017. So, the first one is coding. So, I will briefly explain or just explain what I learned from the eight digital literacy skills of Lynch 2017. So we have the first one, we have the coding, it's understanding the basics programming to solve problems, as well as knowing how to do, what to do, and when to do. The second one is collaboration. Uh, I think collaboration. Collaboration, using digital platforms to work effectively with others. We have three cloud software, and how we manage files throughout the internet or throughout the technology cyberspace, just like the Google Drive and OneDrive and the Gmail. And the fourth one is word processing software, just like the PowerPoint presentation in the Microsoft. Yeah, just like that. So we can use Canva and many AIs in 2025 now. So hi, we have the screencasting. Must know how to project. We must know uh, regarding. We must know how to record lessons. We must know how to project our PowerPoint in the TV, in the projectors, just like that. As well as we have number six, we have the information evaluation. Now, the term evaluation, it is the accessing the reliability of the online sources throughout the online platforms. And we have the last two, we have the seven, we have the personal achieving. It is actually referring to the organizing and more likely storing data securely in your data identity. So number eight, and the last one is what we call the use of social media. Okay, the use of social media is engaging responsibly and using platforms for meaningful communication, interaction, as well as collaboration. These skills are not only useful in education, but also essential in workplace for students to build workforce to the labor market in the future. Developing them can make us more effective learners, collaborators, as well as communicators in the future. So, as well, I further realized that technology empowers. us to learn, create, and collaborate in many ways that were unimaginable before of technology being enhanced, integrated in our curriculum in our education. Our, however, as a math teacher, I also recognize the importance of using these tools responsibly to create necessary digital literacy skills as with educators. I will be responsibly in how I act to guide my future learners in navigating the digital world. Uh, yeah, just like that. Uh, and encourage them to think critically, communicate effectively, as well as collaborate meaningfully. And I think it's all for me. The reflection of topic four, the digital technology as a or the technology as a collaborative tool in assisted instructional skills and tools in digital and non-digital, uh, yeah, and digital and non-digital tools. So that will be all. I think once again, if you are still here, thank you. I am very grateful that you watched this reflection. It really means to me. So thank you very much.